Choosing the right garage door company is crucial to ensure you receive top-notch service. A faulty garage door invites trouble, compromising your security. But fret not. Look for certified professionals. Compare prices wisely. Don't get fooled by deceptive pricing. Insist on warranties and guarantees. Ensure they stand by their work. Research their online reputation. Trust real customer experiences. Check their services. Excellence should be their standard. For reliable garage door repair in Boca Raton, call Tip Top Garage Doors Repair today.